Hey, this is Ryan with the Jim Click Automotive team, and we're here today to talk about the off-road accessories that we've installed in this 2022 Ford F-150. This build was actually a lot of fun because you just don't see many of these single cab, short bed trucks that look like this as often as you did, say, 40 or 50 years ago. On this F-150, we installed a Traxda 2.5-inch leveling kit to give you significantly more ground clearance and to be able to pack in this 34-inch Nitto Ridge Grappler tire. Traxda is based here in Tucson, Arizona. The Nitto Ridge Grappler is a hybrid terrain, so between an all-terrain and a mud terrain to give you significantly more traction if you find yourself in the dirt or the sand here in the trails in Arizona. The fuel block wheel gives it a little bit more of an off-road rugged look. We also chose to do a zero offset to give the truck a little bit wider of a stance. If you would like Jim Click Automotive to build you a truck that can get you anywhere, go ahead and give us a call or visit us online, and please stay tuned for future custom builds done here at Jim Click Ford.